This is the candy cane wreath form from Dollar Tree. I just found it last week, and I'm going to show you how to make a really simple candy cane wreath. So we're going to use a couple Dollar Tree products. I have the decorative mesh in white, some plain red ribbon, and then some floral stems. The floral stems you can get really creative with and use any type you'd like. Let's put this together. We're going to wrap this in decorative mesh, but the mesh is kind of clear. So the first thing we're going to do is wrap the whole candy cane in white. Now I just grabbed a towel. You can get a pack of these towels at Dollar Tree, or you can grab a white towel that you already have. I'm going to turn the wreath upside down and cut around the wreath form, making the towel just a little bit bigger than the wreath. Then I'm just going to fold the sides up and hot glue it in place. Now I can flip it over and I have a white covered wreath. It's still a little see-through and I want to add some decoration to it. So now I'm going to wrap the whole candy cane in the decorative mesh. Now we're going to wrap it in red ribbon. Get it started with some hot glue on the back, and then wrap diagonally all the way around, pulling it tight as we go. There's our basic candy cane. Now we're going to dress it up a little bit to turn it into a nice door hanger. So this is a bow that I picked up at Dollar Tree a couple years ago, fluffed it up and added a pipe cleaner to the back, and then I can just attach it to the wreath here on front. And then I've got this Dollar Tree floral here, and I just cut off a few little sprigs and I'm going to tuck them in to the side of the bow. I can tuck them right under the ribbon, and if they're not staying, you can just add a little bit of hot glue. Add just a little piece of ribbon to the back to act as a hanger. And this wreath is all done. If you like simple crafts and Dollar Tree products, consider subscribing. I'm here every week with new, simple ideas that you can recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.